Precedent was already set by a High Court judge, Dominic Sichinga, in 2013 when he ruled in a matter in which William Harrington had sought judicial review regarding a matter in which the then acting Chief Justice Lombe Chibesakunda had denied him an opportunity to be heard through a tribunal against then Tourism and Arts Minister Silvia Masebo. The judge in this matter ruled that the Chief Justice had no power to disallow for the setting of a tribunal. According to Judge Sichinga, in this matter, the Chief Justice's decision to refuse to appoint a tribunal was flawed in that Harrington had the right to be heard in accordance to Section 13(1) and 3 of the Act. The judge said in his judgment that the Chief Justice was duty imposed in terms of Section 13(1) to act on one particular matter, that is to appoint a tribunal. This judgment was further upheld by the Supreme Court. Justice Lombe Chibesakunda was then left without an option but to set a tribunal that probed Ms. Masebo regarding an alleged abuse of authority in relation to the operations at the Zambia Wildlife Authority. 3 years down the line, the now Chief Justice, Ireen Mambilima, has made a similar decision. The complainant, Silvia Masebo, has since indicated intentions to seek judicial review regarding this matter. While this is the case, politician Mike Mlongoti calls on the Chief Justice to step aside.
For the sake of this country, for the sake of the integrity of the judiciary, we are making a passionate appeal for the Chief Justice to consider, I think, if she can't appoint a tribunal to vacate the office, it will be in her interest and the interest of Zambia for her to consider vacating the office so that people who would want to make a decision on a matter like that come there and help this country move on.
Foundation for Democracy and Development spokesperson Antonio Mwanza, on the other hand, raises concern regarding the Chief Justice's decision.
The decision by the Chief Justice to refuse the case to be heard is very suspicious and lacks merit. Actually, her decision is obstruction of justice and infringement of the rights of the complainant to be heard. And also, it's to some extent abetting crime itself. There is a complaint that has been put before the court of law. And the role of the court is to hear the complaint and to allow both parties to come and accuse and defend themselves. So by her decision to stop hearing the tribunal, in actual sense, she has blocked justice.
Dr. Silvia Masebo had petitioned the Chief Justice to set up a tribunal and probe Agriculture Minister Dora Siliya regarding her alleged corruption involved in the awarding of a tender for the delivery of maize to Malawi by the Zambian government. Dr. Masebo raised grounds upon which he was seeking the Chief Justice's intervention. But before the matter can be heard and his evidence tested, the Chief Justice responded in the negative, saying she had consulted a named investigative wing of government on the matter and that she was advised the matter had been thoroughly investigated, concluded, and cleared of corrupt charges. This indication has, however, not been made by the only investigative wing of government known to many as the Anti-Corruption Commission, which is behind the investigation of this matter. Mwapek Mwenda, Movie TV News, Lusaka.